You okay?
No.
Soflito.
Of course it is.
Huh? Did it come up and shoot and pinch you?
Yeah. I sneezed and the fart came out.
Bless you.
Like, stop.
Don't scream. The nurse is going to come.
It's 24 inches.
What is? What's 24 inches?
My food. I still gotta go.
Keep going, baby. Fill it up.
Oh my gosh. Going in. Is he laughing? Stop.
Sounds like you got a blender in there.
Open chocolate.
No.
Chocolate smoothie.
He said chocolate smoothie. Chocolate rain. Did you just bark?
Oh my god, I thought that was his mouth at first. Like, and I heard.
You done?
No.
I think you'll be able to go home after this one, baby. If you don't, I'm gonna go home after this one.
Holy crap.
What happened?
Ew.
You got it on your butt?
What?
You got it on you?
You don't want to see it.
I don't.
Okay, good.
Was this in prison? You wrote this?
I still gotta go.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it is. He just sent it to me.
When did you get out?
He's not out. He doesn't get out till November 2012.
Bring the guns out.
2 years.
Is he working out at least?
Yeah, she got to see him the first time today.
Is he like gaining weight?
140 pounds.
He gained 140 pounds. That's how much he is. Why is the video?
As long as it wants to be. You
Done?
done?
No.
Oh my God.
Damn it.
Huh?
God damn it.
Nick,
Hey!
stop!
I showed the G.
You guys okay?
We're fine.
Okay.
It's a long one.
The
Fireworks show's going on.
the doctor's here. His doctor came and I told her, there's no like stool. What is that him?
Yes.
I mean, is that his hiney?
Yes. Yes.
Anyways, they're gonna I don't know if they're coming to the floor or they're gonna take him for an X-ray to see if there's still stool in there. But you'll see Dr. Pinka. That's his hiney?
Yes.
I need some help in here.
You need some help? Are you okay? Did you fill the little hat up? Huh? You think so? Okay, I'll be right there.